I just get a shitload of fun out of watching the goddamn thing shoot.
You gotta go right.
Right.
Holy shit.
Dead center.
It's something that my dad and I built when I was in high school. And it was Dad and I, not Stan, it wasn't anybody else, just my dad and I. We built that thing. I mean, it means a lot to me from the standpoint of that. It was my dad and I that built that. It's just a cannon, it's nothing serious. You gotta admit that's kind of fun. You know, bastard still goes.
It goes good. Get it! Get it! Get it! We hit it! Yeah! Dead center.
I haven't fired that in 25 years. You gotta admit that's kind of fun.
Right.